Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Gaming Basics. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to use your camera on Red Dead Redemption 2. So at first, just hold the tab button on your keyboard. And while holding the tab button, switch it to items pressing R. And your camera will be stored right here at the section where your binoculars are stored. And to switch it, use the Q or E on your keyboard. So after you see the camera, just select it and release the tab button to equip it. And after your character equips it, to use it, all you have to do is just hold the right mouse button. And this is how you use your camera on Red Dead Redemption 2. Thank you for watching our video. If you like our video, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Also hit the bell icon to get updates with our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.